Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I haven't uploaded a video, but anyway, happy new year, and to begin our year 2021, we will do some product reviews and unboxing. So right now we have a camera slider rail track from Andoer that we bought, that I bought it online. So this is an amazing product from Andoer. We will unbox 3 items in this video, so please stay tuned. By the way, this is not a paid promotion from Andoer or from the online shopping, but I hope Andoer will send us some of their amazing products and we can be partner in the near future. So today, the first product that we're going to unbox and do some reviews is this camera slider. It's made of aluminum alloy, which is compatible with most of the cameras right now. So there, it has a load capacity of 5 kilograms. You have enough space to slide your camera. So I choose this one. I choose 80 centimeters for you to have enough time or space to slide your camera. So the next item that we are going to unbox is this also made of aluminum alloy cold shoe ball head. There. So it is also compatible with camera and phone holder. And yeah, I will show you later the real product or the real item during our unboxing. So these products are in high quality or very good quality, so you won't regret when you buy these items from Andoer. Okay, so the next product that we are going to unbox and do some product review is this cool LED video lights. So this is one of the cool stuff that we have bought online. It has 42 pieces LED beads, and the good thing about this LED light is this is chargeable, so you don't need to buy extra batteries because it is chargeable. So there, that is the power button and charging port. So it comes with a power cable or your USB cable. And one more advantage of this LED lights is that it has the three sides has cold shoe mount that you can add multiple lights on the three sides.